If you're a human, please subscribe. An adventure through time.
We wanted to reach the town of Thompson Spring, which is located in Utah's northwest, very close to the border with Colorado.
For this, we needed to go through the town of Thompson Spring.
We had the feeling that we were trapped in time.
The town looked desolate, almost without inhabitants.
Then we found out that almost 30 people live in Thompson Spring.
The access to Sego Canyon was blocked by traffic cones. The previous day, it had rained a lot, causing a flood that had passed through the asphalt road that leads to the petroglyphs.
This type of rain that causes flash floods is typical of the August month in the desert areas. This is why we had to leave Tango at a gas station and grab our bikes to head towards the Sego Canyon.
We had to travel 2.5 kilometers to get there. It was very hot, and we did not stop drinking water.
Here you can see the mud left behind by the flash flood. A truck had already cleaned this part of the road.
Está todo mojado acá, mirá.
And when we were about to arrive, this happened to us.
Ay, mi rueda se pinchó.
Dad got a flat tire on his bike.
And from here, we had to walk.
But the place was worth it.
The first petroglyphs that we observe here are the most recent ones. These date from 1300 to 1800 AD and are called Ute style.
In this art, represented human figures, animals, and bellicose figures such as the red and white shield.
We can see horses depicted here that would correspond to the time of the arrival of the Europeans.
The 19th century pioneers also left their marks when they discovered this place, while they were herding animals.
The second petroglyphs we find here are the so-called Fremont style, dating from 600 to 1250 AD.
These figures have an anthropomorphic and abstract form. Domestic animals are also observed.
And finally, the most interesting of all the styles is the so-called archaic style or barrier style. that can date from 8000 to 2000 BC. And the images that you're about to see are going to blow your mind.
They are described as rounded anthropomorphic figures, but surely they are something else.
We leave it to your own interpretation.
Then Dad went to bring Tango with my bike so we wouldn't have to walk back.
Tango could not miss this wonderful place.
And here we came back. It was an incredible experience.
Our next destination was the Moab Desert and the Arches National Park.
We had to find a place to sleep, and we found this BLM land on Route 191 before reaching the Moab Desert.
Thanks for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe and give us a like.